Hello and welcome. In this video, we will tackle a classic system design problem often found in coding interviews, designing an underground metro system. This is LeetCode problem 1396. We will build a system to track passenger travel times and calculate averages efficiently. Let's first understand the goal. Imagine a subway network where passengers travel between stations. For example, a passenger starts at station A at time 10 and arrives at station B at time 30. Our system needs to capture these events and determine that the travel time was 20 units. We need to implement 3 specific operations. First, check-in, which records a passenger starting a journey. Second, checkout, which records the end of a journey. And third, getAverageTime, which returns the average duration of all trips between 2 specific stations. To solve this efficiently, we will separate our data into 2 parts. First, we need an active trips map to track passengers who are currently on a train. We store their start station and start time. Second, we need a route history map to store the aggregate statistics for completed trips, specifically the total duration and the number of trips for each route. Let's walk through an example. Alice, with ID 45, swipes her card at Leighton Station at time 5. We create an entry in our active trips map using her ID as the key. We store the station name and the time so we can reference it later when she leaves. Later, at time 15, Alice arrives at Waterloo Station and swipes out. We look up her ID in the active trips map to find her start time, which was 5. We calculate the duration by subtracting the start time from the current time. 15 minus 5 gives us a duration of 10 minutes. We then remove her entry from the active trips map. Now that we have the duration of the trip, we update our route history map. We use a key like Leighton Arrow Waterloo to represent the route. We update the values to show a total duration of 10 and a trip count of 1. Now imagine a second passenger, Bob, takes the same route but takes 20 minutes. We repeat the process. When we update the history map, we add his 20 minutes to the previous 10, giving a total of 30. We also increment the count to 2. Calculating the average is now simple. 30 divided by 2 is 15. This approach is highly efficient. All operations, check-in, check-out, and getAverage, run in constant time, or O of 1, because hash map lookups are instant. The space complexity depends on the number of active passengers and the number of unique station-to-station routes. To summarize, the key to this problem is using 2 dictionaries. One handles temporary state for users currently traveling, and the other handles permanent historical data for statistics. By storing the running sum and count, we can calculate averages instantly without iterating through lists.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.